nkagumuha miringo yo kwikaha kutumuko n'ahandagano y'omukago timu y'abashaho kurugo mu ihanga rya Israel bebembiriye Professor Hano Kashta orumukuru w'ekigombe kiri kugita abashaho mu ihanga eryo babuganaho n'abakuru b'irwarira hangwe rya Hoima. Entebekanisa zo kunywanisa irwariro rya Hoima n'abashaho b'ihanga rya Israel neshajukwa kampani rukore cha icendege echa Hoima International Airport eya SBI International Holdings hamwe na Biru Uganda.
Bikirizana ngo abashaho okurwo mu ihanga rya Israel abakugu nabaza kubana bijaha bamareho myezi 3 ninga mukaga barakuragurira abantu abakunuya kandi no mbere byo meisho abashaho nabone baje kubana baragana mpaha nabaza mu ihanga rya Israel nabara mu mezi 3 ninga mukaga barakuragurira abakuri.
We already had a visit of the first resident. She spent time with the clinic here in the hospital, and I'm sure that soon with those small issues, with the support of SBC, we'll be able to build up the system and promote things together.
Timeji yarambuzwa za wode zirwareri kandi Dr. Gideon Ziwa yabagambira ko abarwiye barukohereza ubwo muzakire no kugura yemabazi.
But most of the antibiotics they keep buying. Every other thing that is not antibiotic, the common ones, they will have to buy. So that is really usually the challenge. We are available as the doctors and other clinicians, but patients, get to a patient, you have to send them for something one by one.
So our deliveries are about 5,000 per year, of which almost 50% of those are delivered by cesarean section. So there is a strain on theatre. The reason why we have many patients operated is because a number of health facilities within the region are not able to operate for several reasons.
Shanyirwe ngwirwariro rya Hoima hango ryine kizubu cyo mu ijurano rw'abarwire kandi ryine abashaho bake. Ekigombe cha Scientific Council n'umukono gwa Israel Medical Association abarukujunanwa nebyo kurebuza obukugu bw'abashaho mu ihanga rya Israel. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.